Okay, hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It's been a long time we didn't do any outfit of the day. So yesterday or a couple of days ago, I passed by Old Navy. So I bought these children's clothes. It is children's clothes by itself is not expensive, and it's on sale on the clearance. You cannot refuse it. So I, I'm quite happy. Let's have a try. And I wear bike shorts because it's short, so I wear bike shorts inside. Anyway, and try this hair band. Look at my backyard, the flower. Oh, the sunshine is too much. Okay, you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, so this is it. Oh, it's so good to work on this. Which one? I think I will choose this one for this color. Okay, so this one I wear a bike short, and it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. Okay, I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.